Hello students, welcome to Prayesh YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject Intelligent Test, and the topic is Directions. So in this video, we are going to see practice test IT020's answers. So question number 1 is there. Sohail is standing in a ground facing east. He turns to his right twice through the right angle. Then which direction is he facing now? Okay, so now first condition is this. Sohail is standing on the ground facing east. So now suppose now as a standard this is the north. Okay, now this is the east. Okay, and this is the west and this is south. Okay, now he is standing facing to the east. Facing to the east means he is now left hand here, okay, and right hand this side. Okay, if he is facing to the east. Now he turns his right, okay, turn his right twice through the right angle. As we know, right angle means every directions are right angle to nearest one, adjacent. Okay, means east is right angle to the south, south is right angle to the west, west is right angle to the north, and now north is right angle to the east. So twice means two times, means this is a one. Okay, means then he is facing to the south. Again he is turning to the right, means he is facing to the west. So now see, he is facing to the west. West means option number 2 is a correct one. Now, question number 2. The left hand of Sanjay is toward west. So, suppose this is the directions. Now, left hand toward this one, okay, means he is facing to the north. He turned to his right thrice through right angle. Then which direction in his right hand? Okay, first of all, he is facing now north because his left hand is toward the west. Okay, so he is facing to the north, then only the left hand is on a right, toward the this west, okay, and the right hand toward the east. So but he turns right thrice to the right angle, okay, right thrice, one, two, and three. So now he is facing to the west after the turning. Now which direction of his right hand? So after this turning, his left hand is here and right hand is here, means on a north side, means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 3. Meena is standing in the ground facing north. From there, she walks 20 steps. She turn left and walk 20, 10 steps. Again, she turn to left. So now, in which direction her right hand is? So, for this one, suppose now, first of all, she is facing the north, okay, standing facing the north, okay, in these directions. So now, from there, means from same position, she walks 20 steps. So here the 20 steps, okay, 20 steps. Then she turn left. So left means this side, okay. So 10 left and 10 steps. So here the 10 steps, and again turn to the left, means again this is the left and this is the right. So again the turn left, okay. Then in which direction her right? So in this position, her left side is here and her right side is here, means this is a west side. So west is given in option number 1. Then question number 4. In the adjoining clock, what is the direction of minute hand? So this is a minute hand as per the long one. Okay. So now direction means now this is a north. Okay. This is a east and this is the south. Okay. So and this is west. Always be remember, if there is no directions are given exactly, so always be mark north toward the your paper's upper side. Okay, this is the north, always be remember, okay, by default. So this is north means this is south. So south and east in between the means southeast. So southeast is given in option number 4. Question number 5. Ravi is facing the direction of sunset. Now sunset is toward the west. So this is north and toward the west. Okay. Now he is facing to the west. He turned through right angle from right side. Now if he is facing to the west means his right side is this one. Okay. This is right side and he's turning to the right angle. Okay. Means now he's turning this one, means he's facing now north side. Okay, so north side is facing means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 6. When Suresh left for the office in the morning at 9 a.m., 9 a.m., he is facing the sun. Okay, then he turned to right through the right angle and again turned to his right through right angle. Which direction he is facing? Now, first of all, the first condition, Suresh left for the office in the morning and he's facing sun, means the direction is east direction. Okay, so he's facing first east direction, then he turn right. Now if he is facing to the east, means right side is here, he is turns to the right. Okay, this one with a right angle, means now he is facing to the south and again turn to his right side, again now turning to, this is his right side because he is facing now south, and again turning, now he is facing to the west. Okay, west means option number 1, asking about he is facing now, so now he is facing to the west. Now question number 7, Pushpa is facing east and turned twice through right angle to her left and entered into the temple. Okay, now Pushpa is facing to the, this is east. Okay, now two times means twice through the right angle. Now right is this 1 and 2. Now she is facing to the west. Okay, then in which direction is the entrance of the temple? And entered into the temple is mentioned after the facing, means this is a temple and she is entering. Now in which directions of the entrance of the temples? Now temple's entrance is the toward the east side, that is mentioned because she is entered to the temple and asking about a temple's facing. Okay, so means entrance facing. Okay, so this is the facing of the temple, means this is the east side, so east is given in option number 1. Now question number 8, Amol's house is east from the school. So this is Amol schools and this is Amol's house, so this is the east side already given. How follow the path as shown in Amol's house? Okay, find how many times he turned to south while going from school to home, from school to the home. Now if this is a south and again he turning, so this is a south turning. Okay, again this is to the east. Okay, then north, then east, then south. So this is first and this is 2 time, then again this is west and again south, so this is third time, here and here and here. So 1, 2 and 3, so 3 times, means option number 2 is the correct one. Question number 9, Mihir is facing east, he turned to his left through right angle twice. So first condition is he is facing to the east. Okay, and he turns to his left. Now his left is this side through the right angle twice, so 1 and 2. So now he is facing to the west, then which direction is facing? West, so means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 10, Amita went 2 kilometers toward east by bicycle. So toward the east, so suppose this is the north and this is the east. Okay, now she is Amita is going 2 kilometers. Okay, toward the east. Now she is here. Okay, then she turned right and went 3 kilometers. Again she turned right and covered four distance of the 4 kilometers. Okay, so she turned right. Okay, sorry, here this is the left. Okay, so this is right. Okay, and 3 kilometers. Okay, so 3 kilometers, and then again she turn right and cover the distance of 4 kilometers. So again she turn right and 4 kilometers and enter into the temple. Okay, this is the temple and now she is entering to the temple. Find which directions is the entrance of the temple. Now she is entering is this direction, means toward the west. Okay, means temple's entrance direction is toward the east. So east means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 11. While going from place A, now this is a place A, to place B. So this is place B. As per the following figure, how many times one has to turn to the left? Now, from this direction he is going. So his right side is this one and left side is this one. Okay. So 1 time left. Okay. So this is a 1 because asking to turn to the left. So this is 1. Again he is walking to the, now here the right side. Okay, this right side will be always be like this one. Okay, so but we are asking about the left, so left is here. Okay, now this is a turn to the left, so this is a second. again this right turn, okay, and then left turn, so this is the third term, okay, again left turn, so this is a fourth, sorry, this is a fourth, right turn and this right turn, and then this fifth, okay, so 5. Then this is the again the sixth, means after this going, this left hand side is this side and turning to the left, so there are the total 6 turns. 6 turns is given in option number 3. Now, question number 12. The school is at the distance of 4 kilometer to the east of the bank. Suppose this is a bank here. The B is the bank, and from here, the distance toward the this east. Okay, so this is east, and there is a school. There is a garden in the north of the school, 6 kilometers. So from here, the G is the garden, 6 kilometer, and this is a 4 kilometer previously. Then Gymkhana is 4 kilometer toward the west. Now this is a toward the west of the garden. So this is the gardens west. This is a 4 kilometer, means same this distance. So 4 kilometer. Then find the distance between bank and the this gymnasium. Okay, this is gymnasium here, gy. Okay, so this distance is asking. As we know, this is a 4 kilometer. Again, all the directions are in right angle means, and then 6 kilometer means this is a rectangular. Okay, so this rectangular is 4 kilometer and 4 kilometer are the parallel. So likewise, this 6 kilometer and this is also the 6 kilometer are the parallel. Okay, and the equal distance. So 6 kilometer means option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 13. Sandeep, Tanay, Priyanka, Anuya, and Mandar are standing on the steps. Sandeep is on the middle steps between Priyanka and Mandar. So Sandeep is between the Priyanka and the Mandar. So P and the M. In between this one, okay. So steps. So that's why I'm in inclining position. I'm writing down. Okay. Tanaya is above Anuya and on the top of the topmost steps. Okay, so Tanay is on the topmost, okay, and Tanay is above the Anuya. Okay, so Anuya is there, okay, then and the topmost. Anuya and Mandar are not on the consecutive steps. So Anuya and the Mandar are not in consecutive, mean they are not nearest. Okay, so this is okay. Then who is standing on a central steps? Okay, so means this is the same condition here. So top is the this Tanaya and after above the Anuya. Okay, means these are the on a top two positions and this three condition is there. But if we are taking Mandar is here and Priyanka is here, then the condition is there Anuya and Mandar are not in consecutive, but they are not in consecutive means Mandar is always be here and the Priyanka is always be here. This condition is fulfilled. So as per this one, middle is this Priyanka. Priyanka is given in option number 4. Now question number 14. Sampath went 16 kilometers to the west. So west means always we are following. This is west. This is east. Okay. So from this position, 16 kilometers to the west. Then 13.5 kilometer to the north. Okay, so here 13.5 kilometer to the north means these directions. Again 8.5 kilometer to the east. So 8.5 kilometer to the east, and finally 13.5 kilometer to the south. Now 13.5 kilometer means same distance. So on a first path he will reach. So this is 13.5. Then how far he is from the starting point. From the starting, how far? So this distance we have to find out. So as we know, this is total 16 and this is a right angle, right angle, right angle means this is a like a rectangular. So this 13.5 and 13.5 is equals to same, or we can say same. So like this 18.5 also this is the same. Okay, so if we deduct 18.5 from the this total, okay, then we are getting this distance. So 16 minus 18.5, so this is a 0. So now 10, this is a 5, then 0 and 15. So this 10 minus 5 is a 5 decimal point, as it is 15 minus 8 is a 7. So 7.5 kilometer, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 15. A, B, C, D, E, F, G are the villages in a following direction. Now A is 3 kilometer away to the south of the B. So A is, I am here mentioning the separately, A is south of the B. Okay, so now this is our directions. So this is north, south, east, and the west. Okay, so A is 3 kilometer. Okay, away to the south of the B. So this is the B, south. Okay, toward the south. Okay, this is the south. Then the condition is there. C is 3 kilometer away to the west of A. So 3 kilometer from the west means this directions 3 kilometer. Okay, here the C village. Then west of the A. D is 6 kilometer away to the north of the C. Okay, so D is 6 kilometer to the north means this one. So this 3 and this 6. Okay, so means somewhat be double. So here the D is there. Then 6 kilometer west of the D. D is 3 kilometer away to the south of the F. So D is away to the south of the F. Okay, south of the F. So south of the F means F is here. Okay, and south of the F is here. So this is the 3. This is previously 6 kilometer. So this is the F. Okay, again I am saying D is 3 kilometer away to the south of the G. So G is to the north of the D. That is the meaning. Okay. So G is 5 kilometer away to the west of B. So G is 5 kilometer away. 5 kilometer away to the west of the G is 5 kilometer away to the west of B. So B west means this direction 5 kilometers. So somewhat we like here. So this is 6 kilometer. I'm writing here. This is a G. Okay. So this one. Then find how far is F from C and in which direction. So F and C distance we have to find out between this F and the C. Okay, and which directions means far F is from C. Okay, from C. So from C F is there. Which direction? This is the north direction. And how many distance? So up to the D, this is a 6 kilometer, and then F and D, that is a 3 kilometers. So 3 plus 6 is the 9 kilometer and the north direction. So ninth to the north. Okay, so means option number 3 is the correct one. Thank you.